electric trucks to be mass-produced in Australia. United States headquartered CE Electric is now producing their own innovative, zero-emission trucks on a large scale to sell at 15 dealerships across Australia. Built with the company's patented drive power system, the C300 and 500 e-vehicles offer a travel range of up to 300 kilometers and can be charged at their own warehouse or fast charging stations. They also fulfill various trucking needs, from refrigerated food delivery to garbage disposal, while helping these industries reduce their pollution. The company has a goal of mitigating over 1.1 million metric tons of CO2 in the next 5 years. Great work, CE Electric! May cleaner vehicles eventually be used in all sectors worldwide in the wisdom of the Providence.